Okay, so we have the second side of the Camaro I need to cut, and because I have various pieces nested in from various kits, I don't want to risk getting the not a node error. So what we do is we go up here and we add a tiny little box or circle, having selected from the drag rectangle, drag radius rectangle options. Add that, and then what we will do is simply highlight everything on the kit except for that little rectangle. So I've got the tank hole, so that is not selected, but we still have the complete kit. And then we go up to plot selected and hit plot selected rather than plot all, and weirdly enough that will immediately begin to plot the kit. And that is the absolute 100% functioning workaround for the not a node issue when you are selecting various pieces out of multiple kits.